Have you ever dreamed of turning your backyard into a peaceful escape where stress fades away the moment you sit down? What if one simple addition could make your outdoor space feel like a private resort? Are you searching for creative hammock ideas that combine comfort, beauty, and relaxation? Whether you have a large garden, a cozy patio, or a small backyard corner, the perfect hammock setup could completely transform the way you enjoy your outdoor space. Today, we're exploring inspiring hammock ideas that will help you create the ultimate relaxation zone right in your own backyard. Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video. Why are hammocks becoming so popular in modern backyards? Hammocks have become one of the most desired backyard features because they instantly create a relaxing atmosphere. Unlike traditional seating, hammocks offer a unique floating sensation that helps reduce stress and encourages rest. Homeowners love how they combine comfort with style while requiring very little space. They can fit into modern, rustic, tropical, or minimalist landscapes. Whether used for reading, napping, or simply enjoying nature, hammocks make outdoor spaces feel more inviting and peaceful. If you enjoy discovering simple ways to improve everyday living, keep exploring ideas that inspire comfort, creativity, and relaxation. What are the benefits of using a hammock stand? A hammock stand offers flexibility and convenience that many homeowners appreciate. You don't need trees or permanent structures, making installation quick and easy. Stands can be moved around the yard to follow shade or sunlight throughout the day. They are available in wood, metal, and modern designs that complement various outdoor themes. This portability makes them ideal for renters and homeowners alike. A quality stand can instantly create a dedicated relaxation zone without major construction. Great outdoor spaces start with simple ideas, so continue exploring creative ways to make every corner of your home more enjoyable. How can a pergola enhance a hammock setup? A pergola creates a beautiful architectural frame for a hammock while adding style and functionality. The structure provides support, visual interest, and opportunities for additional features such as climbing plants, curtains, or lighting. Hammocks suspended beneath pergolas often become the focal point of the backyard. The The combination creates a luxurious retreat perfect for relaxing after a busy day. Adding cushions, lanterns, and greenery can further elevate the experience and create a resort-like atmosphere. Small design choices can make a big difference, so keep seeking inspiration that helps transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. What makes tree-hung hammocks so appealing? Tree-hung hammocks offer a natural and timeless backyard experience. The gentle movement beneath the shade of mature trees creates a peaceful environment, unlike any other. Many people enjoy the feeling of being surrounded by nature while relaxing comfortably above the ground. Tree-mounted hammocks require minimal equipment and blend seamlessly into outdoor landscapes. They are perfect for homeowners who want an authentic outdoor retreat that feels connected to the surrounding environment. Every outdoor space has hidden potential, and discovering new ideas can help you unlock possibilities you never imagined. Which hammock styles are best for backyard relaxation? There are many hammock styles available to match different needs and preferences. Rope hammocks provide excellent airflow during warm weather. Fabric hammocks offer soft support and vibrant colors that add personality to outdoor spaces. Quilted hammocks deliver extra comfort for extended lounging sessions. Brazilian hammocks create a cozy cocoon-like feeling, while spreader bar hammocks provide a flatter surface for easy entry and exit. Choosing the right style depends on your comfort preferences and overall backyard design. Inspiration is everywhere, and exploring different styles can help you discover solutions that perfectly fit your lifestyle. How can you create a cozy hammock reading corner? A hammock reading corner combines comfort with tranquility. Position the hammock in a quiet area away from distractions and add a small side table for books and drinks. Soft cushions, outdoor rugs, and decorative throw blankets enhance the atmosphere. Consider adding shade through umbrellas, pergolas, or nearby trees. Proper lighting can also extend usability into the evening hours. The result is a personal sanctuary designed for relaxation and escape. The best spaces are often built from simple ideas, so continue gathering inspiration that encourages relaxation and enjoyment. What accessories can improve a hammock experience? Accessories can dramatically increase comfort and functionality. Outdoor pillows provide additional support, while weather-resistant blankets add warmth on cooler evenings. Side tables keep essentials within easy reach. String lights create ambiance after sunset, and canopy shades provide protection from direct sunlight. Mosquito nets are useful in areas with insects, allowing uninterrupted relaxation. These additions transform a basic hammock into a complete outdoor retreat. Thoughtful details often create the biggest impact, so keep exploring ideas that enhance both comfort and style. How can small backyards benefit from hammocks? Even compact outdoor spaces can accommodate beautiful hammock setups. Space-saving hammock stands and corner installations make efficient use of limited areas. Wall-mounted options are available for patios and narrow gardens. By choosing streamlined designs and coordinating surrounding decor, homeowners can create relaxing environments without overcrowding the space. A hammock often becomes the centerpiece that maximizes enjoyment while maintaining an open feel. Creative solutions can transform spaces of any size, making it worthwhile to keep discovering fresh design possibilities. What are some trendy hammock design ideas for 2026? Modern hammock trends focus on combining comfort with aesthetics. Neutral color palettes, natural materials, and minimalist designs remain highly popular. Boho-inspired setups featuring macrame details and layered textiles continue to attract attention. Integrated pergola structures, solar lighting, and eco-friendly materials are becoming increasingly common. Many homeowners are also creating outdoor wellness spaces, where hammocks serve as central relaxation features within thoughtfully designed landscapes. Staying inspired by emerging trends can help you create spaces that feel both modern and timeless. How do you maintain an outdoor hammock? Proper maintenance helps extend the lifespan of your hammock. Regular cleaning removes dirt, pollen, and debris that accumulate over time. Storing fabric hammocks during harsh weather conditions prevents unnecessary wear. Inspect suspension points, ropes, and hardware periodically for signs of damage. Using protective covers can reduce exposure to sun and rain. Consistent care ensures your hammock remains safe, attractive, and comfortable for years to come. Taking care of the things you love allows you to enjoy them longer, making smart maintenance habits always worthwhile. At the beginning of this video, we asked whether a single backyard feature could transform your outdoor space into a peaceful retreat. Now you can see that the answer is yes. Whether you choose a hammock stand for flexibility, a pergola for elegance, or a tree-hung hammock for a natural escape, each option offers a unique way to create comfort and relaxation. The right hammock setup can turn an ordinary backyard into a personal sanctuary where you can unwind, recharge, and enjoy life's simple pleasures. By combining thoughtful placement, stylish accessories, and creative design ideas, you can build an outdoor space that feels welcoming every single day. The perfect relaxation spot may be much closer than you think, right in your own backyard.